Hi, and welcome to another episode of Build, Restore, Repair. Today, we will look into this air purifier made by Whirlpool. In this day and age, it is imperative to have a safe place to live in, and air purifiers will soon be a staple in everyone's home. But is this brand and model good enough for your needs? Can this air purifier detect and eliminate the daily odors, impurities, and unsafe irritants floating around you and your family? Well, let's see and find out. As we unbox this unit, we will discover that this Whirlpool system consists of 4 levels of filtration. These are the pre-filter, which captures large particles such as hair and pet hair, the HEPA filter, which filters out up to 96.4% of 0.3 microns such as dust and pollen, the active carbon filter, which removes harmful gases and deodorizes the air, and the nano photocatalyst filter, which uses photocatalyst technology to eliminate harmful particles by turning them into harmless substances like water and carbon dioxide. Before we can test and use this unit, we have to first set it up by removing all the plastic wrappings. Each filter has a fabric tab on one side to signify that this side should face outwards. This will also serve as a pull-out tab whenever we need to remove the filters in the future. The active carbon filter has a honeycomb structure to further improve the filtration procedure. Next is the white and blue colored HEPA filter. And the outermost shield is the typical nylon screen pre-filter. After all the filters are in place, we just have to install the front panel component and we are good to go. This particular purifier is good for an area of 37 square meters. It can deliver clean air at a rate of 300 meters cubed per hour, and it will take 3.4 hours to cycle through the entire air of a 37 square meter room. The control panel consists of basic touch-sensitive buttons that are easy to understand. On the left side, you have the power button, the filter reset button, and the sleep button. In the middle is the timer function control where you can set the working timer up to 9 hours. On the right side, you have the auto function button, and right beside it is the high, mid, and low fan buttons. Upon turning on the unit, the purifier will spend around 20 to 30 seconds to detect the room's air quality. The color on the power button will cycle through green, blue, yellow, and red. A green light signifies good air, while a red one signifies bad air quality. The sleep button will just make the unit go to sleep mode. The timer control has plus and minus buttons to control how long you want the purifier to run. Putting it on 0 will make it run indefinitely. Selecting the auto mode will let the purifier decide the speed of the fan depending on the air quality. The high, mid, and low buttons are just controls for the fan speed. When turned on, air will get sucked right into the purifier directly from the front and then expelled out through the rear vent. Alright, now let's give it a smell test. First, let's see if it will be able to detect an air freshener. Okay, so it doesn't flag the air freshener as an air pollutant. How about smoke from burning paper? Okay, so it took a few seconds, but it did detect it as an air pollutant, and the air quality light turned from green to blue and then to red. Now how about the smell produced while cooking and frying food? For this test, I closed the window near our stove so that the smell won't just escape out. And yes, it did detect the smell and it turned the fan speed into high. Okay, so far so good, and this air purifier is passing all the tests. But now for the mother of all tests. Will it detect my fart and the fart of your friends and the fart of your family members? For this test, I took some time throughout the day to drink some milk and eat some beans to prepare. Are you guys ready? Here we go. And OMG, it flagged my fart all the way into signal red, and the fan was turned to high. This product really passes the test for me. Now I can rest assured that I will have clean and crisp air all year long, or maybe as long as the filters hold up. What do you guys think? Is this something that you need in your house? Comment on the comment box below. I would love to hear what you think. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next Build, Restore, Repair episode.